commercial virtual private network is technology that allows you to create a private connection over a less private network by creating an encrypted tunnel between your computer and the internet. You can install a VPN just like you would any other app or program on your smartphone or computer. A VPN can let you get around censorship in your country, access geo-restricted media content from another country, and prevents your internet service provider from being able to intrude on your privacy by snooping on your web browsing. VPNs do this by allowing you to appear as though you're connecting from a different location or country. A VPN is great for anyone using public, unprotected Wi-Fi, such as that offered in airports, bars, and coffee shops. Your VPN protects your sensitive information, from your work projects to bank login information, from being seen by malicious actors who trawl public Wi-Fi networks. When you browse the internet while on a VPN, your computer will contact the website through your VPN's encrypted connection. The VPN will then forward the request for you and forward the response from the website back through its secure connection. Let's look at VPN vendors below in more depth. ExpressVPN. ExpressVPN's network is powered by trusted server technology, which ExpressVPN built to ensure that there are never any logs of users' online activities. In the privacy world, ExpressVPN has a strong track record, having experienced a server seizure by authorities which proved their zero-log policy true at the time. While its speeds consistently compete with heavy-hitting competitors, speed tests saw ExpressVPN produce a 52% overall loss of normal internet speeds. Like the rest of the top 5 VPN services, ExpressVPN offers a useful kill switch feature, which prevents network data from leaking outside of its secure VPN tunnel, in the event the VPN connection fails. Surfshark. While Surfshark's network is smaller than some, the VPN service makes up on features and speed. The biggest win it offers is unlimited device support. If you want to run your entire home or office on Surfshark's VPN, you don't have to worry about how many devices you have on or connected. It also offers anti-malware, ad blocking, and tracker blocking as part of its software. Surfshark generally received high marks when its Chrome and Firefox extensions were audited for privacy by German security firm Cure53, though that audit was commissioned by Surfshark. The company has a solid range of app support, running on Mac, Windows, iOS, Android, Fire TV, and routers. Additional devices such as game consoles can be configured for Surfshark via DNS settings. It offers a feature that allows you to whitelist certain apps and websites to automatically bypass the VPN. For some business uses, this can be critically important. NordVPN. NordVPN is one of the most recognized brands in the VPN field. It offers a generous simultaneous connection count, with 6 simultaneous connections through its network, where nearly all other providers offer 5 or fewer. NordVPN also offers a dedicated IP option for those looking for a different level of VPN protection. NordVPN also offers a kill switch feature and the ability to VPN into Tor. Proton VPN. Speed tests of Proton VPN saw an impressively small 9.6% speed loss compared to average speeds clocked without a VPN. These speeds sent it blazing past most other VPNs. Even more impressive is its ability to reach these speeds despite a relatively small fleet of 1,259 servers in 55 different countries. Like ExpressVPN, Proton also costs more than most of the VPNs here. Even so, Proton VPN's high security standards and legacy of transparency may make this VPN option worth the price. Along with its options to send your traffic through a secure bunker of private servers, Proton VPN has some great transparency policies. It is completely open source with routinely published audits and includes a built-in route to VPN into Tor servers. IPVanish. A big win for IPVanish is its fun, configurable interface, which makes it an ideal client for those who are interested in learning how to understand what a VPN does under the hood. Its multi-platform flexibility is also ideal for people focused on finding a Netflix-friendly VPN. A unique feature of the IPVanish VPN, and one that's pretty intriguing, is the support of Kodi, the open-source media streaming app that was once known as XBMC. Any serious media fan has used or built Kodi or XBMC into a media player, and the integrated IPVanish Kodi plugin provides access to media worldwide.